guys, thanks so much for jumping in with us today here at California Realty Training. My name is Chase Milner, I'm the CEO, and today we've got a very exciting topic. We're going to be talking about how to take advantage of real estate home tours. What is a virtual home tour? How is this different than showing up to a property and taking a tour throughout a house? Well, a virtual home tour is just that. It's virtual, right? You're going to be doing it online through your phone or through your computer or through your tablet, and you're going to be able to see all really cool details about the property that you would be able to see from wherever you want or whenever you want, right? With whomever you'd like to see it with. And it's a great way to be able to look at a property at your convenience or at the client's convenience in this particular case. On the real estate agent side, it's extremely important because it can save you as an agent a ton of time, right? Let's say you want to show 10 properties to a client. Well, rather than having to drive and park and fill up with gas or pick up that client, you can actually send out these virtual tours to the client and let them look through all 10 properties. They'll quickly and easily be able to choose from maybe out of the 10, 3 that they really want to go see and touch and feel and smell in person, and that's going to save you as an agent a ton of time. Virtual home tours can reduce the amount of wasted viewings by 40%. That's a huge time savings, right? If you're able to reduce the amount of unnecessary viewings of property by 40%, that saves you almost half the time that you're out there viewing and showing properties. There's a lot of great virtual home tour companies out there that will go to the property, that will shoot the property for you if you are the listing agent, and you can actually schedule those with those particular virtual home tour companies. Matterport is an extremely popular virtual home tour system that photographers will use, and this is an easy way for you as an agent to be able to put that listing right online with that virtual home tour, and where people can actually go throughout the property searching as if they're in the property themselves, which is really, really cool. Another really interesting thing that Zillow is offering is an app that you can download right from your phone that you can do your own 3D tour from your cell phone. It's a really simple, easy to use app where you can actually just set up on your cell phone. You can use the panorama effect on your phone, and Zillow actually allows you to create your own virtual home tours right from within their app. Now, I'm sure that this is technology that's regulated and that has to be posted on Zillow, but this is a great way for you to use the free app. You can actually send clients directly to that listing so that they can see that information online. There's 3 reasons why I think virtual home tours are extremely important for you as an agent to use, right? And the first one is, now more than ever, people are searching online for real estate and looking at properties. Google reported an increase of 253% on real estate related searches over the past 4 years. So from 2013 to 2017, there's been a 253% increase of people looking online for real estate. So it's extremely important that you're posting your listings online for people to be able to find you. But what separates you from every other person out there, and how do you get more exposure? Listings with virtual home tours get 40% more views than those without virtual home tours. So in this large landscape of people searching, by allowing yourself to have those great virtual home tours on your listing, you're going to get a lot more people checking out that property. Clients are more likely to engage with an agent that uses this type of great tech on their properties. So not only are you going to have more people looking at your properties, maybe wanting to have a bid put in, but you might actually get more clients from using this type of great technology as well. It's extremely important that you as an agent are using the newest technology to save not only yourself time, but your clients time. And as you are developing your online listings, it's extremely important for you to have the newest technology. These virtual home tours are going to be so easy for your clients to check out. They're going to be able to be sitting at home looking at a bunch of different properties, and then they can say, hey, Mr. Realtor, Mrs. Realtor, I'm extremely interested in looking at these 3 properties. This is going to save you and your clients a lot of time. Virtual home tours aren't going anywhere. Thank you guys so much for checking in with us today. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you want to check out videos like this and kind of be constantly updated, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it below. If you have any questions or anything that's related to real estate, go ahead and comment down below. We'd be happy to create a great video to answer your questions. We're here for you. We're excited to be with you, and happy that you guys are checking in with us to learn more about real estate.